90% of older adults do not know how to combine vitamins correctly to improve weak legs, muscle loss, and nighttime cramps. My name is Davis. I am a geriatric nutrition specialist, and today I want to help you understand something very important about your body. Many people over 60 believe their legs are getting weaker simply because of aging. But often the real issue is that the body is not receiving the nutrients it needs during the hours when repair should happen. When I explain this to my patients, they are surprised. For years, they have blamed age, while the truth is that the body can still rebuild when it has the proper support. Nighttime is when most healing and repair should take place. But if your body does not have the building blocks it needs, those repairs cannot fully happen. And little by little, your legs become weaker, stiffer, and more unstable. One common mistake I see is that people believe walking more or forcing extra movement will fix the problem. Movement is important, yes, but movement alone does not rebuild muscle or bone. For rebuilding to happen, your body needs nutrients. These nutrients act as tools inside your system. Without them, exercise becomes harder and sometimes even discouraging. Many of my patients tell me they tried to walk more but ended up feeling even more tired or their legs felt heavier. That is a sign your body is trying to repair itself but does not have enough resources to complete the process. This is why nighttime nutrition matters so much. During sleep, your body enters a deep repair state. It uses amino acids, vitamins, and minerals to fix what has worn down during the day. If those nutrients are missing, the repair cycle weakens. Over time, this results in softer bones, tighter joints, slower recovery, and muscles that lose strength one small piece at a time. The hopeful part is that giving your body the right nutrients before bed can make a noticeable difference. It does not require dramatic changes, and it is not complicated. You are simply helping your body do what it is already designed to do. One of the most helpful nutrient combinations for nighttime leg support is collagen paired with vitamin C. These two nutrients work together inside the body in a very natural way. Collagen is one of the main proteins in bones, muscles, tendons, and skin. It gives your body structure and strength. As we age, collagen production decreases, which leads to slower healing and weaker tissues. Vitamin C plays a key role because it helps your system produce collagen. Without enough vitamin C, collagen cannot form correctly. That is why this combination is so important. Collagen provides the materials, and vitamin C activates the building process. When used together, collagen and vitamin C help improve the repair of bones and joints. Research shows that this combination can increase the strength of tissues around the knees, hips, and ankles, which are the areas many older adults struggle with. This combination also helps prevent injuries. When collagen in the connective tissues becomes stronger, you are less likely to experience strains, micro tears, or sudden weakness when stepping wrong. Even simple movements like stepping off a curb or sliding your foot on the floor become safer and more controlled. Many people worry supplements may be too strong or too complicated, but collagen and vitamin C are generally gentle and easy to use. Most adults benefit from 2.5 to 15 grams of collagen, along with 50 to 100 milligrams of vitamin C. Gelatin, another form of collagen, can also be used. Timing matters too. Some people take these nutrients an hour before activity, but taking them before sleep supports the natural nighttime repair cycle. It is important not to overuse vitamin C, because very high doses may cause stomach discomfort. Staying below 2,000 milligrams per day is recommended. People who have allergies to certain animal products should check labels carefully or speak with a healthcare provider first. While this combination supports your body's healing process, it works best when paired with a balanced diet. The second powerful combination for nighttime is vitamin D paired with vitamin K2. Many people have heard of vitamin D, but do not realize how important it is for leg strength. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, which supports strong bones and healthy muscles. Without enough vitamin D, bones weaken faster and muscles may lose strength, especially in the legs. This increases the risk of falls, slower healing, and decreased stability. Vitamin K2 works alongside vitamin D. While vitamin D improves calcium absorption, vitamin K2 directs that calcium into the bones. It helps prevent calcium from building up in the arteries, which protects heart health while strengthening bone structure. Together, these two vitamins support the bones and muscles in a balanced and powerful way. They help your legs feel more stable, reduce the risk of fractures, and support natural muscle function. Dosages vary, but many adults need between 600 and 4,000 international units of vitamin D daily, depending on their deficiency level. Vitamin K2 is effective at 100 to 180 micrograms per day, especially in the MK7 form, which lasts longer in the body. These supplements are often taken at night with a small snack because vitamin D absorbs better with fat. People should not take more than 4,000 international units of vitamin D per day without guidance from a doctor. Checking blood levels is important if you use vitamin D long-term. People who take blood thinners should speak with a healthcare provider before using vitamin K2 because it may interact with those medications. Many of my patients notice gentle but meaningful changes when they begin using these vitamin combinations at night. They often describe standing up more easily in the morning, feeling fewer cramps, or noticing improved balance when walking. These small improvements show that the body is responding. Healing happens quietly, but the results appear in daily life. I also want to acknowledge something that many older adults feel but do not talk about openly. Weak legs create emotional stress. People fear falling. They fear losing independence. Some fear becoming a burden to their families. These feelings are real and understandable. But weakness does not mean the body has stopped working. It means the body needs support. When you give it the right nutrients consistently, the repair cycle becomes stronger again. You do not need complicated routines or intense exercise programs. You simply need to understand what your body is missing and restore it, especially at night when your body is preparing to heal. Collagen with vitamin C and vitamin D with vitamin K2 are not miracle cures, but they are powerful tools that work with your body's natural repair systems. They support the structure, the healing, and the strength of your legs so you can move with more confidence and comfort. If you are over 60 and noticing weakness, cramps, or muscle loss in your legs, I hope this video helps you understand that your situation is not hopeless. Your body can rebuild. You can regain strength. You can support your bones and muscles in a simple, gentle, and effective way. And the most important part is that you can start tonight.